Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to edit duration of photos on TikTok. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. The first step is to open TikTok on your device. Then click on the little plus button to open your camera. The next step that we have to do is to use the green screen effect, so click on the effects option on the left side of the screen and all your effects will pop. Find the green screen section inside of the effects menu and find the specific green screen effect. We don't have to record ourselves, so switch to the rear-facing camera and you will see photos from your photo gallery above the effects. Simply select the photo you want to use for your videos and then click on the record button to start recording the photo. And you can record as long as you want your photo to last. I think you can set the duration of the photo to be around 1 minute in length. That's it, everyone. That is how you can edit the duration of your photos on TikTok. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.